How to create account in Horrortale 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create an account. First of all, open the application. Now, in order to create account, there's no such option in this game. So this is an offline game also, so you can play it whenever you want, and there's no necessity of logging in. Here, there are different links to the game and different social medias, but we cannot directly log in or create an account. Here we can simply play the game and continue the game because it will be auto saved. So here you must not worry about losing the gameplay or anything like that. So you can simply tap on continue and tap on playing or continue the gameplay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.